Okay. Now we'll see what are the various components we are going to use in this lab. This is called as the regulated power supply or RPS, which is going to give the power supply to the breadboard. So here you have 2 points for polarity. One is your positive point and another is for your ground. And here you have 2 knobs. Mainly one is for voltage knob and another is for current knob. In voltage knob you have 2 things. One is voltage coarse tuning and another is for fine tuning. And here you have your current knob. Usually will keep your voltage knob at the minimum position and your current knob at the maximum position. So the other components is the resistors, diodes are the other components which are going to be used depending upon the circuit requirement. Next we'll move on to the meters. For measuring the current we'll be using your ammeter. For measuring the voltage you'll be using the voltmeter. So since it is a DC, you'll have a line which has been present here which shows that both are MC equipments. That is, MC is nothing but moving coil equipments. Apart from this ammeter and voltmeter, we have the multimeter, so which has multifunctional specialities. Here at a time you can measure your DC voltage keeping in the range which has been required, or you can use it for your AC voltage which has been specified by this symbol. DC has been shown by a line, or else if you want to measure your DC current, it is shown here, or it can be used for the measurement of your resistance. So voltage measurement, current measurement and your resistance measurement can be done using your multimeter. Then you have a decayed resistance box to carry out your theorems experiment, and you have your function generator. So this function generator is nothing but it is a device which generates your various waveforms. So depending upon the mode you are going to keep. So depending upon whether if I am going to keep your sine waveform or your square waveform, accordingly depending upon the frequency range, this function generator is going to give your output. The next is your CRO, cathode ray oscilloscope, so which has 2 knobs. One is your time division knob and another is your voltage division knob. So just know the initial idea alone. When we are moving to the experiments, I'll explain deep about this. So this is it is used for measuring your graphical output. You will have your output voltage or your current that can be seen using this screen.